Hello everyone. So welcome to our tutorial again on the mean stack part, and in mean stack we have a new topic which is Mongoose. So what is Mongoose and why we needed Mongoose? So Mongoose is a basically object data modeling library for MongoDB and Node.js. It manages the relationship between data, provides a schema and the object. Okay, so now whenever we querying our data from the MongoDB, you will be receiving a document formatted data. So always if you want to do any operations, you always fire query like insert. You have to fire like a find. So those are the way to for the getting the data from MongoDB, inserting the data in MongoDB. But if you are writing a code and then always you creating a objects, you are creating a class. So we need a one way to directly map the data of your Node.js to your MongoDB. So there is one library, it's called as Mongoose. I mean, Mongoose is doing that thing. So with Mongoose, it's interacting between MongoDB and Node.js, and we have a driver, Mongo driver, which mapping the object. Okay, so schema, whatever the document we are creating in your MongoDB, it will directly mapping in the form of object, and reverse it will retrieve the data into the form of schema to the MongoDB or to the user also. So this is the way to wrap the data. So if you want to differentiate between Mongo's schema and models, so Mongo's models are wrapper on the Mongo's schema. Mongo's model is a wrapper on the Mongo schema. Okay, so the Mongo's model provides an interface to the database for creating, querying, updating, and delete records. So now earlier, whenever you want to do the query, you are doing that with the database reference, and then you're querying like find queries, you're filing the query insert. But now there is a one way which is called as Mongoose. Through that Mongoose, you can directly find, you can update, and you can insert the data. Let's go and implement the thing with your Node.js and MongoDB. Now, what is the thing we require? So, if you want to implement Mongoose, so first step you need to install Mongoose. So, for installing Mongoose, we have a command npm install Mongoose. So, after installing Mongoose, the library is available to in your end. Now, you can connect with MongoDB and you wrap the data. Next is you need to connect. After Mongoose, you need to connect with the database. Now let's have a database is called as hotels. So we have a database hotels. Let's open MongoDB console and here type show DBS. Now let's create a fresh database which is not available here. Let's say my travel DB. So database is representing a travel database, and now that something is wrong. Yeah, we need to use the query use keyword. With the help of use keyword, let me close it and open it again. MongoDB console, MongoDB is already open, so I am opening a MongoDB console. Now use travel DB. Travel DB is a database. Now I have switched to database. Now it's a freshly created database, so it has no collection. Show DBS is there. So it's not showing my travel DB because there is no collection created. So we need to create a collection through the connecting through the Mongoose. So let's first connect with the travel DB database. Copy this database name and go to your Node.js code and in Node.js code paste it here as a database name TribalDB. So first step, you need to connect with the database through the Mongoose. Now if you're done with it, now next step, I need to insert the new collection and the data at the same time. So for that, the first step, I need to define the schema. So I, in a Tribal agents, I need to add the places. So I can say place schema, place name, description, and distance. Distance, distance, and now, so now if it's a place schema, now I have to create a model, place schema, and say it places in a Tribal DB, place. Now first step, need to create a schema. Next step, create a model, mongoose.model, and need to pass the schema inside of that model. Now we have able to create a model. So what is model? So next important thing, need to learn models. What is model? So now if it is a schema, schema has a name, distance, and third an important thing is your description. So we have a schema. Now I need to convert it in the form of classes, which is a Node.js class. For that, I am using mongoose.model. So now we need to create in the class format, model format. So now it's converted into the form of place. Now this is a class. So this is a class. So I need to create an object of this class. So what is the way to create an object of the class? Normal with the help of new keyword. So place of places, you can say also places, you can define places, copy this model class name and create of the model class object, and here place name, if we say Manali, distance from my end it's 3000 kilometers, give a keyword distance. The one thing you should remember, this both keywords should be same, distance and this distance, name and this name, description should be same, and description Manali in Himachal. Now next and final thing is need to save. Need to save. Need to save. So save is the same operation which we are doing in insert operation in MongoDB. Now what is wait? Wait is the time which has been taken by the database server to write the data into the database. So till the time I am saying it's wait till the time I am getting the result, and it is a asynchronous operation. That's why I have written async inside of the function. Now that function definition is ready, I am ready to call add room. No, it's not add room, it's a method, we can say add place. So mention add place and replace the call back to add place. Now everything is done. We have database server we need to connect, and then we need to call this method which is inserting the data through the mongoose. Clear? Control C. Now node mongo dbconnector.js. Yeah, now it should be inserted in the database, and in the database name is TravelDB. Let's go back to TravelDB database and now use TravelDB, paste and show collections. Now places. So we got places. How do I get places? Because I have mentioned places here. This is the schema name in or a document name in your MongoDB. Now let's check the data, if data is available or not. db dot places dot find, run it. No, you're not okay. I think places, not place, it's a places. So repeat the step, same places, places. Yeah, now I got the data name. Place name is Manali, distance 3000 km, description is Manali in Himachal. So now I am successfully inserted the data through Mongoose. So first step, connect with the database. Second step, create a schema. Third step, you should create a model, and fourth and final step is you need to create and save with the help of mod object. So create object and dot save is the inserting data into the MongoDB. So now that's it from my end. In this tutorial I'm continuing in Mongoose, and next step we are taking data from REST client as a post API and will insert in the data. Thanks for watching. Bye.